Hi guys, so today we are going to play with Dash online though, because some of us got to experience the robots before COVID and they were super fun to play with. And since we don't have the chance to do that anymore, um, we are going to do it online, which is a really fun resource. So you guys can go to makewonder.com. This is Wonder Workshop. Um, and you guys are going to be able to log in, and then here's the code I want you to punch in, NBX1P. That's going to allow me to see all your progress. And you can see that we have Dash the Snowman, Dash on Planet X, Interrupting Robot. So, and then it will take you into an area that looks similar to this. So you can pick, do you want to be a robot wrangler, a playful programmer, a curious coder? So you have the option to pick one of those. Let's do today a playful programmer. So it has a bunch of puzzles that we can play on. We're going to drive-in school. Okay, so this was so fun when we were able to play with him with the tablet and drive him around and change his eyes. So this is very similar. We're going to get to do that. So it says stack the blocks to make Dash drive forward, then look left, then right, then look forward. Okay, so what were the steps? Stack the blocks. So we always start with when start or when run. So we need him to drive forward. So that one's correct. So then what's the next step? Look left. And if you don't know how to read, just find the second step. So they're highlighted in bold. So that is your clue. Okay, so the first one starts with F, drive forward. And so forward. Then the next is look left, left, L-E-F-T. So you're going to say, here's turn left, but that word doesn't match. Look left. So here we go. And then he wants to what? Right, turn left. Turn left, then look forward. So now what happens? Here he is, and he's waiting to go. My little toolbox is kind of blocking it, but here is the play button. We did it. So every level has a different set of tasks. So stack the blocks to make Dash turn all lights red and then all lights green. So what color did it say first? Right, it said red. Red, then green. Now let's run it and let's see what happens. Look at him, he's changing his colors.
All right.
All right, he says. So as we keep playing, it's going to get harder. And in between each little step, I want you guys to pause me because I want you guys to try to play around on your own. And then when you're ready, you can unpause me and we can figure it out together if you guys need help. So in this puzzle, it wants Dash to drive forward, turn all his lights red, and then turn all his lights green, look left, and then turn left. So you can kind of see what they want him to do right here. Then make Dash look forward. So we have a lot of steps. Over here is where you can hit drive, look, or lights. So I'm going to have you pause me just for a minute. And I want you to look down here and really try to figure out each step that you guys have to use. And then we will get back together and we will see how we did. Okay, so here's what my algorithm looks like. And maybe you were able to do this, maybe you were not. That's okay. So in order to be able to drive forward, I came here and I drug out this block for drive forward. It says forward. Then it says down here, turn all lights red. So you go to your lights and you hit all lights and you were able to drag that out. Then it wants you to turn all lights green. So once you click it, you can click the color and you can change it to any of these colors. But he specifically wants green right now. So we clicked green and we said, okay. Now I have an extra block. And so that's how I got the all lights green. Then it says look left. So I drag out the look left block. And then I hit turn left by dragging it out of the turn left in the drive block. So I'm missing one more step. And what do you think it should be? My last block is turn left, and here it says turn left, but there's one more step. Make dash look forward. So would that be in drive, light, or look? Right, look. And it says left. Do we want him to look left? Nope. We want him to look forward. So this is the cool part about this neighborhood is that you have the ability to visually see exactly the degrees and angles that you want him to. Being tricky. And we want him to look forward. So you click it. Oh, come on. Okay, so we got it. It's kind of sensitive. And if you're using a touchpad, it's kind of trickier. So that's what we're going to do. And then look forward. So let's run it. Let's see if we got it. And look at him go over here. Good job. So you can see your little cloud spinning up here. That means it's saving your progress. So we can see how awesome you are. Okay, program dashes head to nod by looking down, up, and then looking straight. Make dash say hi. So you have sounds over here and you have the looks. Those are the two things they're asking for you. So the rest are in the background, so you can't even click those. So you'll only be using these two tabs. So I want you to pause me and I want you to play around. And then when you're ready and you think you have the right steps, you can run it or you can hit unpause to see if we got the same. All right, guys, how did you do? It's nice right now, we don't even have the option to click the other boxes. So it kind of gives us a little practice because we have the ability to not get overwhelmed by the different blocks. So we want to look down. So I have that block. Look up, look straight, and then make dash say hi. So let's hit run.
Hi.
Good job, guys. All right. You guys loved changing his eyes when we were all together. So we are going to get to do that again. So teach Dash how to blink. Edit these eye pattern blocks so you can turn the eye lights all on, then off, and then finally all on. So they already have the blocks here. And it says we want them all on, then what? Right, all off. So we have to click and black all these out. Oh, rats. Okay, all off. And then all on again. So that one was nice because they already had the blocks in our workspace for us. Let's click play. Good job, Dash.
Yeah.
He's having a party now that he knows how to blink. All right, so we completed driving school. Are you guys ready for the next puzzle? Let's keep going. We'll do one more and then maybe we can break it up into separate videos in case you guys don't have enough time, or if you guys want to do it just later. Okay, Dash the Snowman. All it takes is a clap to make Dash the friendly snowman come to life with a song and a dance. Didn't work. Oh man. Right, because we didn't program him. So we've got to do that right now. Oh, it's Christmas time. Connect the blocks so the eye pattern repeats forever in a loop. You don't need to edit the eye patterns. So here we are. Here's a repeat forever. We're going to snap that on. And it's telling us we don't have to edit the eye patterns. So let's just run it. Let's see what happens. We did it.
All right.
Good job, guys. Okay, so this one was a little trickier, and it wanted you to stack the eye pattern blocks under the green when dash top button block. So this was confusing a little bit for some of you because right here, this is a block we typically start with, when start or when run. But we had a separate green block, and this is the one that said when dash, and it had something else. I already changed my step to what it wanted. But anyways, we needed to drag all these eye pattern blocks, excuse me, under this block, and then edit the green block, edit the when block so that dash will do eye patterns when someone claps. And you can see the clapping right here. So let's run it and let's see what happens. Well, he can't hear our clap. So we have a bug in our program. Oh, here it is. Do you guys see it? Hit the clap. We did it.
Right.
And it's cool because in person, he is so, like, we can clap with him. But we don't have that right now. But this is the funnest thing we can get to doing Dash in real life. So it says add a new block to the bottom of the long stack of eye pattern blocks. The new block should make Dash do the green dash hello animation. So we look over here, and which one can we do? Oh, animations. So here it is. Here's the greet dash. So it wants us to drag this block here. Greet dash hello animation. So we don't want hi, we want hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
He's having fun.
Hello.
Hello. All right, so let's run it and let's see what happens. Don't forget, we need to click the clap button.
Hello. 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 Hello.
All right, so we did it.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw! He's so excited. I hope you guys are having fun with this one. So we are finished with our Dash the Snowman. And next we are going to this one, Silly Dash. But we're going to save that for another video. And I hope that you guys had fun playing with Dash. And someday we'll play with Dash and Dot, hopefully back in person someday. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.